What is light? How do you make slime?
What happens when we change the gas inside bubbles? At Fizz Pop Science, we believe science should be exciting, fun, and accessible to everyone. Children are naturally curious creatures, and our mission is to spark that curiosity through hands-on learning experiences. We throw incredible science parties, amazing after-school clubs, and enjoyably engaging workshops all over the UK. From crazy chemical reactions to fascinating physics, our workshops include everything from making slime to launching rockets! With erupting volcanoes and mesmerising optical illusions, every experiment is a new adventure.
Fizz Pop are absolutely incredible.
I would invite them to my birthday party. Thank you for calling to our school.
So if you're a school, a parent or home ed group ready to spark some curiosity, visit our website today to book a visit from Fizz Pop Science. Come on a memorable adventure as we experiment, discover and inspire with Fizz Pop Science.